In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure the length of an arc in AutoCAD. Whether you're working on a detailed engineering drawing or a simple design, calculating the arc length is a crucial skill that can help ensure the precision and quality of your work. Now let's talk about the simplest and most straightforward way to measure an arc length in AutoCAD by using dimensions. AutoCAD provides a built-in function to add dimensions to your drawing. By selecting the arc length dimension type, you can quickly obtain the length right on your drawing. This method not only helps you visually understand your design, but also integrates seamlessly with the rest of your dimension annotations, maintaining a clean and organized workspace. However, what if you're looking for a less invasive method, something that doesn't involve adding additional dimension lines to your drawing? The good news is that there is an effortless way to achieve this using the LIST command. To start, you'll need to select the arc whose length you want to measure. Simply click on the arc with your mouse. Once selected, head over to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. Here, you'll want to type the word LIST and hit enter. This command is incredibly powerful because it reveals a host of information about the selected object. After pressing enter, you'll notice a detailed listing of properties appears, including the exact length of the arc. This method is particularly useful if you need to quickly find the length without cluttering your drawing with additional annotations. Plus, if you need to share or use this information elsewhere, you can easily copy the length right from this list and paste it wherever you need, whether it's in a report, an email, or another part of your design process. This method isn't just limited to single arcs. If you have multiple arcs connected, you can still utilize this approach for a streamlined calculation of the total lengths. Simply select each arc, one after the other, and use the LIST command to gather each of their lengths individually. Adding these lengths will give you the total length of the combined arcs, which is particularly handy if you're dealing with more complex designs. By following this method, you can maintain the integrity of your visual presentation while still having access to precise measurements. This simple but effective use of the LIST command makes handling arc lengths in AutoCAD both flexible and efficient, ensuring that whether you're working on a detailed project or looking to share accurate data easily, you have the right tool at your disposal.